What? Give me the gun. You did unload it, didn't you?
Of course I...
You see, that's how accidents happen!
Oh, hi, Sue.
Oh, sorry. Howard, it's you. How are you? How are you? With your little dog and everything, looking all single.
Name and job? My name's Harry King, Billy Candyman. Do you have to do that while I'm interviewing you? Well, you better arrest me then if you don't like it, because this shit ain't gonna dismantle itself, is it?
I'm told that during the day in question you were involved in a fracas with the owners of the vehicle, which was later set on fire.
No, it wasn't a fracas. It was more of a playful little ruckus, you know?
Bastards!
So you were harbouring no feelings of animosity towards these gentlemen?
None. Well, I don't expect a member of Her Majesty's paramilitary pig force to believe me. Can you just hold that bit of shed for me there?
Yeah.
Cheers, boy.
Well, if I may be provocative, I think there's every chance that if I've come here and you haven't been there before, I have to conclude that you are guilty. That wouldn't be a burn on your hand, would it?
What? No. That's... yeah, I got that rescuing a burning bun from a toaster.
That concludes the interview with Mr. King. For the time being.
I had my first rejection by email this morning.
Oh. Who was that then?
Jeremy.
What, nice Jeremy? From the Cornish Tourist Authority?
Little shit.
Yeah.
Years of friendly nodding in the street, and then I invite him out for a baked potato because you made me. And within moments he's typed back, sorry, but I'm up to my eyes in my mother's curtains.
Do you know what I had from Dave Wilson? I know my marriage is rocky, but we're working it out together.
What a nerve.
Complete nerve.
Well, you're looking at a demographic black hole, ladies of your age, aren't you? The over 35s. I mean, the younger man prefers a younger woman, simpler to handle. The older single man, well, a well-known fact. They're all either gay, damaged by divorce, mad, unsavory, commitment-phobic, in a coma, or heart-stoppingly ugly. Think mail order. Nice foreign hubby. Thai. Russian. Inuit. Very good in a blizzard. Am I being offensive now?
Do you know who I might call Gary Carstairs? He's my number 7. He always said we should go out together.
Shares a bed with his sister.
So what's the sentence for that sort of crime, then?
You're inside.
No.
Is that true? Yeah. 3 months to 10 years. 2,000 pound fine.
You don't know, do you?
Haven't a clue, no. Always think it's best to guess, see if anyone notices.
I hate police. Take away their uniforms and what are they?
Naked policemen.
They're like you and me.
They're taller than you.
Shut up.
PC Allen's all right. Might make a decent boyfriend one of these days.
No, he goes out with WPC Smothers. Oh, you know you two are splitting up?
Yes.
In the witchy world, we think it's important to celebrate the big milestones. You know, first pubic hair, first sense of spiritual oneness.
First time with 2 women.
Yes. So I want to give you, Mary and Angela, a divorcing. It's like a wedding. Lots of joy. Divorce meds, if you're into that.
Is there going to be naked dancing?
Would you like that, Avi?
Yes.
No.
As you wish. We'll just gather in a wood. I'll say a few words. We'd normally burn all your clothes.
What?
To signify the passing of the old.
Why don't we burn all your clothes?
It wouldn't work. Should we do it at the weekend?
Oh, do you know, actually, what a shame. Yeah. Because we're going on a cruise somewhere.
Oh, please. I only need one more divorce, and I get my divorcing scroll from the Witchcraft Society. Whitsock.
Oh, right.
Oh, I love you. I'll dig out some veils.
It's not looking good, is it? Maybe we're destined to spend the rest of our lives alone.
We are doing the right thing, aren't we?
Yes. Okay. My last chance phone call. You, Alex.
Good luck.
You. Hello, Alex. It's Mary Trigg Widnack here. You know, from the shop. So, how are you? Yeah. Sounds quite nice, he's chatting away. Yes. Motorbike, yes. Football, yes. Do you know what you should do? You should make your last chance call when I finish this one.
No.
Yes. Or I'll invite him to the divorcing ceremony. So, Alex, why don't you pop round here tonight and I'll cook you up a supper, yeah? No, just bring yourself. And a bottle of wine, yeah. And a pudding. All right, Tim? Yeah. There he is, Ange. There he is. Go on, tell him you want him. No. Tell him. No. Tell him. No. Tim, why don't you ask Ange out? Go on, she's a super girl. Look at her. Yeah. Go on.
Would you like to go out for a walk or something?
Yeah, she'd love that, yeah. Ring me, I'll arrange it. Yeah? All right, Tim? Yeah.
Sorry about that. My jangle tree was snagging. Squitch pelgosuro infaro ma plague. Which is Cornish for, please turn off your mobile phones. Everyone touch hands and form a ring around the divorcing couple. Now the divorcers should hold their mistletoe and wave it in the air.
Wave it.
Yes, just give it a wave. Okay, everybody, shout out a message of goodwill. Come on, I'll start you off. Fare thee well through life's enchanted journey. Jake, your turn.
Boat for hire.
Harry.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Oh, magical.
Angela Phillips, please.
Hey.
Your name and personalised details for police purposes, please.
My name is Angela Phillips. I run the shop and post office in St. Greep with my friend Mary.
Nice and loud, please.
Mary!
You claim that you didn't leave your flat on the night of the crime.
I didn't.
I put it to you that you quite easily could have. Do you want to answer?
Answer what?
The question.
It wasn't a question.
Well, it was.
Well, it wasn't.
Okay. Let me rephrase the question.
It wasn't a question.
Yes, what? Excuse me, can you direct me to Penis Street, please?